Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Leorian9. Today I will tell how to use Gmail. Okay, we go to Google Chrome first. After that, we write gmail.com. So down, enter, and it will open automatically. Okay, wait. Well, first of all, I will show you how to send letter to other. How easy we click on the plus sign, rainbow color, click, wait, so wait. Here we write too long. My too long. What is the subject here? Example. You can also change the text. Example, come play me, and then block the text. You can also change the text. This click big, normal, small, or big. Big. Also change the text and put the text inside. This control, click. You can also change the text and put the text aside. And this aside. Okay, here you can also send a link. Google Drive, this photo, emoji, signature, and disable secret. Here can also delete the drive. Okay, we go back. Okay, we go back to the graph. Then type again. And then after that, click sending. Okay. Then click this email. Oh no. This okay, click sending after, and then go to the sending, and then this my drive playing together. Okay, back again. We can also meet or join the meeting. And here we can also add friend or chat with friend. After that we click setting. Now here we can change the density, thing, type of inbox, and reader panel. There is also calendar, text, keep. Okay, go to detail, click off all, and this we click the theme, theme one, this, click there and save. Okay, and then go to theme again, and this switch the background. Okay, click the I want to click the lake coho. Okay, save it. Okay, done. And this, click the default mid for default. I want to default the type of inbox default is first, and first okay, default. Okay, and this draft this drive not subject. Okay, click again. Wait, and okay, now, and this big error. Okay, sorry if there is an error. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.